Hello everyone, I welcome you all for another tutorial on how you can do a video conferencing using Google Meet application. Firstly, open your Gmail account and go to the right top corner where you will find a box symbol which is called the Google Apps. Click it and select Google Meet app. Otherwise, you can do one more thing. You can come to the left side and you can find a new opening called Meet New. This was introduced by Google to help people during this lockdown period, and this feature was introduced newly. It has two options. One is start a meeting or join a meeting. So you can start a meeting. When you click it, the meeting window opens. You can see. So when you open Google Meet, it asks you for permission for the microphone. You need to allow it, and also for the camera, that is your front cam, that also you have to allow. So once you allow, you will be able to see your face being displayed on the screen. If you don't want to be seen, you can put it off. If you don't want to be heard, you can put your mic also off. So now your microphone is off and your video is also off. Now you have two options, join now and present, and on the top you can find the meeting link. This you can share with people whom you want to join the meet, and you can actually choose between joining the meet or presenting the meet. If you want to present without joining, you can choose present only. So if you click it, Google Meet will again ask you which screen you want to share. So now I have 4 windows open at the back. I have a seminar slides. This is what I want to share with the audience. So I'm clicking on it and I'm allowing it. So once I allow it, I will start presenting my slides. So now I can scroll through the slides. I can select which slide I want to explain to my students. So I can choose the slides I want to explain. So this is according to your wish. You can choose any slide, like how you do lively. You can see I'm able to move the slides. So they'll be able to see the whole window. So once you finish it, you can close and you can stop presenting. So on the above you can see you are presenting to everyone. That is, everyone in the meet are looking at your presentation. So now you can close it and it shows that you aren't presenting now, and you can leave the call by clicking on the red symbol at the bottom. If you want to just present, this is enough. You will just present without entering the meeting. That is, you will not know who and all are taking part and who all have joined the meeting. When you are a teacher, you may want to know who all are participating in that meeting. So in order to do that, you must join the meeting. So now we're going to see how you can do that. Go back to your Gmail account and click on the start meeting option. You have to allow again the microphone and the camera. Click on join now. So once you join, it will pop up with a little folder. It shows your meeting link, which you can copy and forward to your friends. So that shows that joining information has been copied, or you can even send mail by adding people. So if I click on it, it asks me to enter the names or the emails. So actually Google Meet is connected with your Gmail account, so the mails in your account will all automatically be shown below it. From that you can choose your participants. So I've chosen one. So once I finish it, I can now send the invitation to them. So the invitation will be sent to both the participants to their mail ID. By clicking on the link, they can also be a part of the meeting. So I'm sending the mail. Now the mail, that is the invite, has been sent. You can see that the invitation has gone. Apart from that, we'll see the features on the left side bottom. If you click, that will give you the details of the meeting. You can copy the link again from there. And on the right side you can see turn on captions. So this is an interesting feature. So where if you click on it, your whatever you're speaking, it will be captioned in English usually, So it will be useful to students who are not able to hear your voice properly. They can turn on the captions. So right now I'm not having any participants right there, so I need not to put it on because nobody is going to listen to me. So it shows whether it is on or off. So depending on that you can change the option. Another feature, that is the three dots on the right bottom. So the first option is change layout. So this will give you the layout, that is the layout of your meeting conference. So how you want to see it. The first option is auto and the second option is the sidebar window, where the person speaking will be shown in the center and the audience on the right side bar, or a spotlight, which is a full screen mode, so it will be shown on a full screen, the speaker. And another option is tiled one. So this is actually an extension. You have to download a app called Google Meet View Grid, so you'll be able to see each participant in each box. If you want to see all the participants, you can add that extension and use this type of layout. And another option is full screen mode, so where the meeting will be seen on a full screen window. And turning off captions, because I've kept my captions on and that's why it shows to turn off the caption. And the important one is settings. So when you go to settings, you can see audio, video and general settings. So when you see audio, you can see your microphone is off because I've kept my audio off, and that can be seen there. If by mistake you kept the microphone off, you can on it. And you can also test your speakers, whether your speakers are audible or not. You can play it and see whether you are able to hear your voice. So once it is done, you have to check your video as well. You have to make it sure that your camera is on. It is off because I have kept my video off because I don't want to show my face. And it also shows the resolution of your video. 360 is a good number, so it itself is a good quality. And the general settings. So when everything is fine, we can close it. And we have few more options, that is problems, and they are not needed. And the important one is presenting. So when you want to present something to your viewers, you can click on it. It shows you two options. One is to share your entire screen or to share a particular window. So if you click on your entire screen, it will ask you which screen you want to select. Right now I have three windows open at the back of my Meet. One is my mail, another one is my Google Meet, another one is my entire screen. When I select entire screen, it shows like the entire screen. If I want my entire screen to be seen by my participant, then I can choose it. Or if I want to show my mail ID, I can choose that one. Or if I want my Meet to be seen to someone, and I can select that one. So now I have to allow it. So once I allow it, you can see on the screen that now you are presenting. You are presenting to everyone. So now my Google Meet window is presented to everyone in the Meet. When I finish, I can stop the presenting. So if I would like to share my slides, I can again share a window and I can click on the seminar slides, which I've kept open at the background. So now I can show my screen with my participants and I can go through it and I can explain it just how we usually do in the class. I can go through it one by one and I can explain them. So once I'm finished presenting, so I can stop presenting. So that's all. So these are the basic features in any Google Meet. Apart from that, we have few more options on the top right. So that is your account. And next one is chat box. So this is an important one. If everyone is talking, you will not be able to listen to the speaker properly. So the audience can make use of this option where they can send messages to everyone. The drawback is you can't send private messages in Google Meet. You can send messages that can be seen by everyone. So there is no privacy. Whatever someone is sending, which will be shown to every participant in the Google Meet. And people option shows the people who are in that meet. So right now we have only one person, that is myself, and it shows mine alone, and also my video audio is off. So that's all for now, and this is the basic way of handling Google Meet. In the upcoming videos I'll be explaining you how you can take attendance for your students, how you can admit a participant into the meeting, and how you can mute a participant, how you can remove a participant, and how you can pin a particular speaker. All these features I'll be explaining in the next video. Hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and your colleagues. And thank you for watching.